All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're making this beautiful, I call this the Emperor grilled fish that you can serve this Chinese New Year. It is luxurious, the color is absolutely beautiful, the fish nice and succulent, full of aromatics from the ginger, turmeric, and the dill. All right, so first off for this Emperor grilled fish. Now, it's sort of something that I came up with, and the inspiration behind it is a Vietnamese inspired recipe called chakra grilled fish. I've taken that inspiration and I've put a twist on it. So first off for this dish, what we need is a fresh whole fish. So we're gonna start off with some fresh turmeric into a pesto and mortar, and now some ginger in, galangal in, about 4 cloves of garlic, smash in, bird's eye chili. Now for the white part of spring onion, in, get a little bit of salt, pound. Now look at that, I've pounded it into a really fine paste. Okay, so I'm gonna separate the paste into two. Yeah, and the reason I'm doing this is because we'll be adding in some different ingredients for the marinade and the finishing sauce, if you will. To this, we're going to be adding in some fish sauce, peanut oil, or if you want, regular cooking oil, just a pinch of sugar. Stir everything together. And this is going to be the marinade for the fish. Okay, get your fish, trim off some of the tail, fins, just lift and trim. Score the fish. Now get your marinade and put it around the fish. There we go, rub it all around. Get it inside the flesh. For the green parts of the spring onion, bend them in, and I'm going to stuff them inside the cavity of the fish. Preheated the oven to 240 degrees Celsius, and it's going in for a good 20-25 minutes, yeah, depending on the size of the fish that you have. All right, now I've got a bunch of dill that I'm just going to remove the stems. There we go. And here I'm going to be heating up about 3 to 4 tablespoons of peanut oil. Just give the dill a rough chop. Add this dill to the pesto and mortar. All right, once your oil is nice and hot, turn the fire off and pour it into the paste. Now we're gonna season this, about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, pinch of sugar. All right, and we're gonna squeeze out 1 lime, give it a good stir. Now, the sauce is done, or the oil that we're gonna have this fish with is done. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Fish, beautifully grilled, nice and tender, so fragrant onto your serving plate. You can see why now I gave the name Emperor grilled fish, because of that nice golden color. And now we ladle over this beautiful dill turmeric sauce. And at the end, some nice sprigs of coriander. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is my Emperor grilled fish that I'll be serving this Chinese New Year. All right, now time to taste this fish. This will be the perfect bite for it. Absolutely delicious. The fish is so sweet. You can only make this type of dishes with really fresh fish. Then you really taste the sweetness of the fish that contrasts with the savoriness of that paste. Just squeeze a little bit of that lime up there to give you that kick. So everything sort of comes together really nicely and gives you this whiff of very aromatic flavors. Absolutely delicious. Let's go in for another piece. I'm trying to decide if this is a dish that I would eat on its own or if it is a dish that I would eat with rice. But as I'm eating it, I'm finding that you can do it with both. You can have this with rice, you can serve this with some potatoes on the side, although I'm not sure who will be serving potatoes during Chinese New Year. But anyhow, I hope you give this dish a try this Chinese New Year, my Emperor grilled fish, and let me know what you think, all right? If you've enjoyed this content, you think it's added value to you, don't forget to click the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week, all right? Happy Chinese New Year. 恭喜发财.